I was scouring the aerial imagery one day of Cleveland, noticed this odd brick road kind of off to the side of where a building used to be that was demolished for the Opportunity Corridor project. You can see in the background. Came out to investigate it and just kind of see what it was. As I was doing some more research on this brick road, I kind of looked at some of the old property plat maps and noticed that the Peerless Motor Car Company had a test track that ran around their building, basically right exactly where this brick roadway is. There was kind of a curve at the end, and hopefully we can find that and confirm that that's in fact what this was. You can see the remains of their buildings off to the right. Well, I was hoping we'd be able to see more of the curve where it ran around, but you can see that the bricks in the background there, they're kind of curved off to the right. And that's where the test track ran. I'll try and put a comparison, like then and now photo up of the old property map. Again, there's the foundations of what used to be their building. Old staircase there in concrete. An Opportunity Corridor in the background. We're just off of East 93rd. So I don't see any more evidence of the bricks. Maybe this was paved at one time. Maybe they left that part brick. I honestly don't know. Here's a curved corner of what would have been the northwest side of their building. You can actually see on the old property plat map the test track that kind of cut through here. It's currently occupied by the RTA tracks on the left side. Well, here we would have been actually inside the Peerless plant. East 93rd in the background. There's actually some stuff left still here. Some mounting pads for something. Also part of an old I-beam. Maybe a roof support. We're on the northern end of what would have been the Peerless factory. And there's actually a ramp that goes down. And basically almost goes right to where the test track would have been. Here's a better look at those stairs that we saw earlier. Wonder how many people came out here to grab a smoke next to the old test track just to our right. Well, here's a view of the test track again. They started out making appliances, bicycles, car parts, then cars, and eventually shut down altogether and became a brewery with the buildings of the brewery on the northern end of the site, which is across the train tracks where that new building is. Anyway, this is a little bit different than what I do for YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of Cleveland history at the Peerless Motor Car Company test track.